Divert attention from yourself to free. You speak against your very nature. The accusation pointing at. So when you criticize, know that you also drive yourself. For the fall of humanity, each individual play a part. No one can be undeniable. Passion has run the card. The underlying thing, belligerence. Does a battle around in a new air, subverted. Outlets are provided, non-fit to satisfy and fulfill. Thank you. How have things been going since the last time we were here? Pretty good? Or shitty? I hear that. Apparently, a lady thinks I suck cock. Well, she's wrong. Okay, she's right. But I was young and needed the money. This one's called Outrage. We're having testicle difficulties. I'm gonna work that one out. Ah, there we go. So how many of you are prepared for tonight's activities of massive face punching? Yes? Hooray for face punching? Yes, he likes it. That's good. That's real good.
Alright, we're back here on Jiggy Jag TV and Community Access Television, the lowest rated show on Access. #1 in hell.
Thank you.
And we're going to go talk to Rise of Autumn. Before we do, let's discuss Steve Rice. He has this thing called Rice Advice.
No, he doesn't. You made that up,
And
okay?
he gives these guys advice on how to get laid. He says just get rid of the t-shirts, cut the hair, you can get laid. You can be like him, a Punani superstar. He's a star at the NASCAR, you know.
You done?
Okay, here we go.
One, he's too smart to think about that. He's a dumbass. So you came up with that. Okay? Number two, okay, how much punani have you got, Mr. Cut My Hair, get the goatee off and wear the shirt? Not much either, did you? So it really doesn't work for us. It doesn't work for him either because at the NASCAR 24/7 or in jail taking it up the ass. So I really don't care about freaking Steve Rice. Done. Move on.
Okay. Well, let's go watch Rise of Autumn. Talk to us. I think they talk to us. I hope they talk to us. Because if they didn't, you're not going to see anything.
The big old black screen.
It'll be a big black screen. This is no interview. So, this is Jiggy Jag TV. The legendary ice machine. We're going to get this thing goddamn MySpace. We're going to get its own MySpace. And we're going to send out a friend request to every band.
Every band you interview in here, you can hear that.
So, what is the crappiest band you guys have ever played with? And are they still around?
Okay, yes, interestingly enough, you should bring this up. I doubt they're ever going to hear this, and if they do, they deserve to. We played with them last night in Topeka.
Wow.
A band called Seclusion. Am I right? That's
I have never heard of that fucking band.
And that's why I don't mind.
That's a good
They
thing.
played the hi-hat. He played the hi-hat open-handed, and then he played the right single left-handed. I mean, it's unique. I've never seen it, so he played the foundation right.
And they didn't have a bass player, and their one guitar player made this goofy face the whole time. And it was bad.
Like he was constipated while he was playing.
Which, I mean, he might have been.
That's fair. They're having a conversation.
Yeah, and if they do,
Exactly.
I have not been looking to book again with those guys ever again.
So what is okay? On the flip side of that, what has been the band that you guys have played with? We gotta
Dying Fetus.
same room with
These guys
these
worked the
guys.
band at the same time, but it was Dying Fetus.
And nice. The members of
That was at the Static Bar, what, last summer?
the last lineup.
Almost a year ago. That was only, what, like maybe 6 months? But we played with
Exactly.
you know, like, we got Dry Line Jackass, we played with those guys. Yeah. Jackass. And in an inappropriate manner.
No.
I'm not.
He'll break balls on me later. It happened on the discount.
And in Manhattan, we played with the Sky. We do a jump slide.
Wow. Might do that.
Which
Might do that.
I like it.
Oh, yeah. So,
Psycho Stick. How can I forget Psycho Stick? And I did play with Power Club because you know what we're talking about. They do the thrash metal shred versions of video game music.
Yeah.
And we're playing with those guys. And,
So, that's awesome.
Yeah, July 13th. It's a Sunday. They emailed me and they said, "Hey, Psycho Stick told us."